how to upload a file to the file manager in your Hostinger account. So let's get started. Once you log into your Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. Next, we will need to click the Websites tab. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Now, choose the website where you want to upload your file. In this example, I'll be using the vibeskill.io website. Next, click the Tools button next to the website. From the list of available tools, select File Manager. This will open the File Manager page. Here, click this section to continue and open the website's files. Now we'll enter the public HTML folder. This is the main folder where all of the website's files and folders are stored. Once you're inside the public HTML directory, click the Upload button. Now, simply select the file you want to upload from your computer. Wait a few moments while the upload is completed. And that's it. The file has now been uploaded successfully to your website's file manager. That's how easy it is to upload a file to your website using the Hostinger File Manager. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.